In the previous video, we understood unit and drawing setup in AutoCAD 2027. We saw that AutoCAD is not just about drawing something that looks correct. AutoCAD is about drawing something with real measurements. Now, in this video, we're finally creating first AutoCAD object using line command. The line command is one of the most basic and most important command in AutoCAD. Almost every drawing starts with the lines. Whether you are drawing floor plan, a wall, a table, a mechanical part, or a simple shape, you will use lines again and again. Hi, I'm Dipan and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand the line command in a simple way. The line command is used to draw straight line segments in AutoCAD. A line has a starting point and an end point. So when we draw a line, AutoCAD first asks you to select first point and then asks you to select the next point. That's the basic idea. Click the first point, click the second point, and AutoCAD creates line between those 2 points. It sounds simple, but this command is very important because many AutoCAD drawings are built using these lines. There are 2 common ways to start the line command. The first way is from the ribbon. Go to the Home tab, then look at the Draw panel. Here you will see a line tool. Click on the line tool. Now look at the command line at the bottom. AutoCAD is asking you to specify the first point. This is why we learned command line earlier. Whether you are starting a command, always look at the command line because AutoCAD tells you what to do next. Now let's draw a simple line. After starting the line command, click anywhere in the drawing area. That is the first point. Now move your mouse. You'll see a preview of the line following your cursor. Click another point. Now AutoCAD creates a line between the first and the second point. After that, AutoCAD does not stop immediately. It is ready to continue drawing another line from the last point. So if you click again, the AutoCAD will create another connected line. This is useful when you want to draw multiple connected line segments. When you are done, press Enter or Escape to finish the command. The second way to start the line command is by typing. Go to the command line, type L and press Enter. This also starts the line command. Is by typing. Typing L is a shortcut for line. This is how many AutoCAD users work faster. You don't always click on the tools from the ribbon. You type shortcut command into the command line or use the dynamic input. But as a beginner, don't worry. In this course, I'll show you both methods. You'll click the tool from the ribbon or you can use the L and press Enter. Both methods are correct. Now, let's draw a line with the exact distance. This is where AutoCAD becomes powerful. Start the line command by typing L and press Enter. Now click the first point anywhere in the drawing area. Move your cursor in the direction where you want the line to go. Now type a distance, for example, 10 and press Enter. AutoCAD will create a line that is exactly 10 units long. Now remember what we learned in the previous video, that 10 depends on your unit setup. If you're thinking in feet, that can present in 10 feet. If you're working in millimeters, that can represent 10 millimeters. The important thing is that AutoCAD allows us to type the exact value instead of guessing with the mouse. So don't just draw by your eyes. Use the exact distance whenever you need accuracy. Now let's use one setting from the status bar, the Ortho Mode. Ortho helps us to draw perfectly straight horizontal or vertical lines. You can turn Ortho on from the status bar or press F8 on your keyboard. Now start the line command again. Click the first point. Move your cursor left, right, up or down. You will notice that AutoCAD keeps the line straight. It is very useful when we draw walls, room shapes, rectangles, or anything that needs to be perfectly horizontal or vertical. So remember, if you want a straight line, turn on Ortho. If you want to draw freely at any angle, turn off your Ortho. While using the line command, keep watching the command line. AutoCAD will guide you step by step. It may say, specify the first point. Then say, specify the next point. This means AutoCAD is waiting for your input. You can respond by clicking a point, typing a distance, pressing Enter, or pressing Escape. This is how AutoCAD works. You start a command, then you follow the instructions. So if you ever feel lost, don't panic. Just look at the command line. There are few ways to finish the line command. After drawing the line, you can press Enter. You can press Escape, or you can right-click and choose Enter depending on your settings. For beginners, the easiest method is to press an escape when you want to cancel or stop the command. Press Enter when you want to confirm or finish. If you are confused, just press Escape once or twice and AutoCAD will usually return to the normal selection mode. One common beginner mistake is clicking too many times without watching the command line. When the command line is active, every click can create another line segment. So if you keep clicking randomly, AutoCAD will keep creating connected lines. That is normal. Nothing is wrong with your software. You just need to end the command properly by pressing enter or an escape. Another common mistake is drawing by guessing. In AutoCAD, try not to guess important lengths. If you know the measurement, type it. That is how create accurate drawings. Let's quickly summarize the line command. The line command is used to draw straight line segments. You can start it from the Home tab inside the Draw panel. You can also type L and press enter. AutoCAD will ask you to first point and then next point. You can click points manually or type the exact distance. Use Ortho Mode if you want to draw a straight horizontal or vertical lines. Press enter or escape to finish the command. And most importantly, always watch the command line while drawing. Before we move to the next video, do this small practice. Open a new drawing in AutoCAD. Type L and press enter. Click your first point. Move your cursor to the right. Type 10 and press enter. Now move your cursor upwards and type 5 and press enter. Then move your cursor to the left. Type 10 and press enter. Finally, press escape to finish the command. You just practice the drawing line segment using the exact distances. Now try the same thing with Ortho Mode on. This will help you to understand how to draw the straight line more accurately. This was the line command in AutoCAD 2027. This is one of the first command every beginner should learn because lines are used everywhere in AutoCAD. Don't worry if it feels little new right now. Practice it a few times and it will become natural. In the next video, we'll understand the polyline command. A polyline looks similar to the line, but it works differently because it's create the connected line segments as one single object. So in the next lesson, we'll understand the difference between line and polyline in a simple way. I'll see you in the next lesson.